Sister, can I?
Eyes closed, join your hands, sit straight, take a prayerful posture. Come on, Manpreet, please say the prayer.
Father God, come be with us. Fill our heart with joy. Fill our mind with learning. Fill our classroom with peace. Fill our lesson with fun. Fill our friendship and kindness. Fill our school with love. Amen.
Children, please take a prayerful posture. Aradhya, Merin, sit straight. Prayer is going on. Aradhya, Sharma. Ashwika, please say the thought, child.
Okay, sister. Success is not always what you see. I repeat my thought. Success is not always what you see.
Good morning, children. Okay. Rupakshi, you come tomorrow early. Raise your hand for the class tomorrow. Okay. Those who want to say the prayer, you come in the morning and raise your hand as soon as you come for the class. Okay. Rupakshi, next time you can say. Children, we continue with our lesson. We're speaking about the government. We spoke in India, we have 3 types of government, we said. 1 minute. Okay. In the last lesson, what we had learned, come on, please tell me. In the last lesson, what we have learned so far, please tell me. Yes, Rupakshi.
Yes, sister.
Tell me, please, what you have learned in the last lesson.
Sister, in our last chapter we learn about directive principles and some directive principles rules.
What are the direct principles we had learned? That means you had not joined the last class or what? What were the directive principles?
Sister, our constitution provides certain guidelines for the government.
What are those principles? Mahajan, I'm asking you, Gagan Dev, what are those principles, directive principles? Gagan Kaur,
Yes, sister.
tell me those directive principles.
Sister, people should have better living conditions.
Good. Then?
All children should get free education up to 14 years.
Yes.
People should get equal wages for equal work.
Okay.
Government should provide work to all men and women.
Women. Woman is one person, women means more than one. Children, please pay attention. I want everyone to write this question in your notebook. Please form it. Everybody name them. Please copy this question in your notebook just now.
Sister, I have returned.
Which one you have written?
Sister, some.
Which one you wrote?
Sister, these principles.
Huh? All of you copy this question. Are you writing? Have you copied? Did you copy the question? Did you copy?
Yes, sister.
Okay. Okay, all of you please copy that and you will write that answer. What this answer was told just now by Gagan. Okay. And I hope you have written the question and answers also. Please write those who have not written. And we also had started our lesson on our government. What did we learn about our government? Rupakshi, are you paying attention? Who is that? Hitakshi, please tell me about our government. What did we learn? Hitakshi, I unmuted you already, child. Yes, Shagun. Shagun, unmute yourself, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice was not coming to me.
Okay, please tell me about our government. What did we learn in the last lesson?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Okay. Harmanjot?
Excuse me, sister.
Yes. Harman, can you hear me?
Excuse me, sister.
Okay, Harman, tell me what did we learn in the last lesson, please?
Sister, we learn about government.
Okay, come on, tell me the names of the three levels of government we have. Please mute yourself. Harman, tell me. Harman, tell me please.
Can you repeat the question?
Tell me we have
First
in India we have three levels of government. Okay, Constitution has given us three types of government. Come on, tell me that.
union government, state government, local government.
What is the meaning of union government? Yes, Anandika, what is the meaning of union government? Anandika, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sister.
Tell me what is the meaning of union government?
Sister, what?
What is the meaning of union government? That means you all are not paying any attention in the class. Isn't it? Vendita, what is the meaning of union government? Good, Gagan. Vendita, tell me what is the meaning of union government?
Sister, the union government means central government that have several ministers for administering the whole of India.
What is, say in a simple words? Say in simple words. Yes, Manpreet. What is the meaning of that, Manpreet? What is the meaning of union government? That means you are not paying attention. When I'm teaching, you are busy with some other activities.
Sister,
Yes.
sister, union government means that controls the union territory.
Which? Huh? What? Children, for the answer for the exam also you will write like this only the answers. You will copy the answer from the mobile. You Google it out and you copy paste. Yes, Harmanjot, what is the meaning of union government? Harman, what is the meaning of union government?
The union government is also known as the central government. It governs
What is the meaning of central government?
Central government.
Yes. Yes, Tashnik. Yes, Tashnik.
The union government is also known as central government. It governs the entire country.
Yes, yes, Gagandev. Gagandev,
Yes, sister.
what is the meaning of union government?
Sister, the
Yes.
union government is also known as central government.
What is the meaning of central government? Yes, Gantavya. Yes, Gantavya.
Union government are those who control the entire country.
Okay. Children, union government means nothing. The government is at the center. Union government is the government which is at the center, that is the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, President, and all the cabinet members.
About the central government.
Now please pay attention, everyone, mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. I don't know anyone's mics to be unmute there. Tashnik, please mute yourself. Okay, central government, union government means known as, another word is central government. The Prime Minister, President, the entire Council of Ministers, all the ministers, they rule the entire country. That is the meaning is union government. Union government means the entire country is ruled by the Prime Minister, President, and all the cabinet, all the council of ministers which are there at Delhi in the parliament. Understood? That is the meaning of union government. Now, India is a large country. There are a lot of population. It's a vast area. So it is not easy for Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, and the Council of Ministers to rule. That is the reason we have called state government. Understood? It's not easy for the central government to rule the entire nation. Therefore, we have called state government. Understood? It's not easy for the single government to rule. We have 28 states, so it's not easy. Therefore, it has been in the constitution, it has mentioned we have 3 levels of governments, that is union government, state government, and local government. So union government, another word for the union government is central government. Understood? So it's not easy for the central government for one person to govern the entire country, to run the entire country. Therefore, we have state government in every state. So that is the meaning of union government. Hitakshi, if your doubt is regarding the lesson, then only you will ask. Yes, Hitakshi, unmute yourself. Hitakshi?
Excuse me, sister.
Yes.
Sister, in 20th chapter, our culture question answer, there is second question. Write, name 3 classical dances and folk dances.
You write
So
all
you
the
have
dances. You write all.
So,
You write
okay,
all.
sister. Okay, sister.
Children, now please pay attention. Hitakshi, you remain unmute. I'm going to share the screen. Hitakshi. Hitakshi.
Okay.
Sister, I see.
Hitakshi, you remain unmute for the class. Hitakshi, please
Okay, sister.
respond. You tell me whether you can see the screen or no. Can you see my screen?
Sister.
Hitakshi. Hitakshi, please respond. Hitakshi.
No, sister. No,
You can't
sister.
see? Can you see now?
No, sister. Yes, sister.
What is written?
Sister, there is nothing written.
Okay. What? Yes, sister Sama is saying yes, Sama is saying no. Okay, I'm sharing and I closed it. 1 second. Let me keep on. Shagundeep Kaur, unmute yourself. Shagundeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sharing the screen. You will tell me whether you can see or not. Okay, Shagun. Shagun,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see the screen?
No, ma'am, it is. Yes, ma'am, I can see.
What is written? Read.
Lesson number 3, our government.
Okay.
Lesson number 23, our government.
Okay, now don't answer. When I'm asking you, then you'll answer. Okay.
sister.
Now, children, we spoke about this. Government is the basic requirement for any country to function the country smoothly. Understood? Now powers lies in the hands of the government. Now government makes the laws. The parliament makes the laws. It's for the entire country. The parliament makes the laws for the entire country. Wherever that noise is, please mute yourself, everyone. Government makes the rules, laws for the entire country. And the citizens means you and I, the people who are living in the country, who are born, who have the documents of this country, they are known as citizens. Now we need to abide by that. The laws which are made by the government, whether we like them or not, we need to follow them. Understood? So that there is peace and harmony in the country. Now these parliament laws are made for the entire country, whether it is for the people of Jammu or it is for the people of Andhra Pradesh. It's for everybody. So we need to abide by the rules and regulations which are made by the country. Understood? And Indian Parliament has three parts. Indian Parliament has three parts. Understood? India is a big country. It has 28 states and we have 9 union territories. We have 28 states and 9 union territories. It is difficult for the single government to run smoothly because each region has different problems, has different languages. Each state has its own problems and it is different issues are there, different languages. So it's not easy for the one person to govern the entire country. Therefore, Indian Constitution, I told you what is the meaning of Constitution. Constitution is a book where all the rules and regulations which have been mentioned, how to rule the country, understood, how to guide the country, and some directive principles also mentioned, duties, rights, all the details have been mentioned in that book. Understood? So in the constitution, we have, it's mentioned the three levels of government we have in India. Union government, state government and local government. Understood? Hence our constitution has provided for us three separate levels of government. Our constitution has given us three separate levels of government. They are union government, state government and local government. Now, union government has another word that is known as central government. Union government means central government. This consists of prime minister, president, all the different ministers which are there in Delhi. All those who are in that parliament house in Delhi, all they belong to the union government. Understood? Now, union government governs the entire country. Union government governs the entire country. Okay. We have another level of government is known as state government. Another government is known as state government. Understood? Every state has its own chief minister, it has its governor, and there are council of ministers. Earlier, Jammu Kashmir also was a state. Now, last year, the statehood of the government has been taken away. So, Jammu Kashmir is no more a state. Now, it is known as a union territory. We also have something called local government. Constitution of India has given us three separate levels of government. One is known as union government. Another word for the union government is central government. Central government governs the entire country. Then we have state government in every state. Now, for example, Delhi has its own chief minister. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is the CM of Delhi. So each state has its own chief minister, governor, and the council of ministers. Sorry. Then we have called local government. Now parliament has, I told you, the Indian parliament has three parts. Indian parliament has three parts. That is, one is known as the President of India. Then we have something known as Lok Sabha and we have something known as Rajya Sabha. The Indian Parliament has three parts, the President of India, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now, let's learn about something more about the president. What is the name of our president? Yes, who will tell me the name of our president? Yes, Shambhavi. What is the name of our president? Shambhavi. Yes, Gagan.
Yes, sister.
What is the name of our president?
Sister Rajnath Govind.
Very good. Rajnath Kovind Kohli. So he is our president. So let's learn about the president. Okay. Now, sorry. The president is the head of the country. The president is the head of the country. The prime minister and his cabinet. Now tell me names of some of the ministers who are in Delhi. Tell me the names of some ministers who are in Mr. Narendra Modi's cabinet. Come on, tell me. Yes, Kushi. Tell me some ministers who are in Delhi. In the prime minister, with prime minister, they are supporting the prime minister. Tell me who are those? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, Kushi. Yes, Shagun. Rupakshi. Come on.
Yes, sister.
Tell me the names of ministers. Come on.
Okay, sister. Sister Narendra Modi,
Yes, he is the prime minister. Then
Ramnath Kovind.
he is the president. Tell me names of the ministers.
Okay, sister. Minister. Okay, sister.
Yes, Kushi. Manpreet.
Sister Amit Shah.
Amit Shah. What minister is he?
Ma'am, Sister Home Minister.
Home
Sister,
minister.
may I also tell?
Yes.
Sister Pranab Mukherjee.
Now he is not there. Pranab Mukherjee is not there. Pranab Mukherjee is not there. Pranab Mukherjee is not there. Yes, Gagan.
Sister Arvind Kejriwal.
Arvind Kejriwal is not there. He is the chief minister of Delhi. I am asking of the union ministers. Tell me the names of the union ministers. Come on. Mute yourself wherever that noise is. Yes, Manpreet. Manpreet. Now that is the homework for you to find out day after tomorrow the names of all the ministers in the union cabinet. Tomorrow you will tell me the names of the union cabinet. Understood? That's the homework. Only one said about Amit Shah. Is the home minister. Then what about the other ministers? You will tell me tomorrow. Okay? So the president is the head of the country, the prime minister and his cabinet. We have different ministers. Okay.
Rajiv Gandhi also.
Rajiv Gandhi is not there. Rajiv Gandhi is not there. Now you, all of you mute yourself. You will tell me tomorrow. Each of you will write. The president is the head of the country and his cabinet govern the entire country in the name of the president. Now this prime minister and his cabinet,
Sister, I want to ask you something.
if it is regarding this class, you will ask.
Yes, sister. Sister, sometimes, sister, before, इससे पहले आप क्वेश्चन एक name the some directive principles. So sister वो हमें खुद लिखने हैं.
Yes, I told you that answer just now, no? You have to write. The president is the head of the country. The prime minister and his cabinet govern the entire country in the name of the president. So the Mr. Narendra Modi and his council of ministers, they run the entire country. They govern the entire country in the name of the president. Understood? And president is elected by the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members. Okay, for 5 years. Understood? President is elected by the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the state legislative assemblies for 5 years. Okay. Now we will learn what is the meaning of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now, Lok Sabha is known as lower house. Lok Sabha is known as the lower house. Understood? Lok Sabha is known as lower house of the parliament. Now, I hope you know now what is parliament. You might have heard that Sansad Bhavan. In the next picture, they have shown the Parliament of India on page 132. Okay, the lower house of the parliament. Now, people elect them for 5 years. Lok Sabha is known as lower house. People elect these Lok Sabha members for 5 years. Lok Sabha members elected for 5 years. Now, Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house. Rajya Sabha is known as upper house of the parliament. Rajya Sabha is known as upper house of the parliament, and Rajya Sabha members are elected by the state legislative assembly for 6 years. For Rajya Sabha members have been elected for 6 years, and Lok Sabha members are elected for 5 years. They become members. Once they have been elected for 5 years, they are the members, and Rajya Sabha members remain as members for 6 years. Okay. I hope you know about the Prime Minister. Who is our Prime Minister? Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister. He is the head of the government.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say what is the role of a cabinet minister?
Yes.
A cabinet minister's roles includes directing government policely and making decisions about national issues. Spending a lot of time.
Okay. So Prime Minister is the head of the government and is appointed by the president. Okay. Prime Minister is the head of the government. He has been appointed by the president. He or she, or he has also council of ministers. Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman. There are different types of ministers are there. They all of them support Mr. Narendra Modi and they govern the country. Understood? They help the Prime Minister in governing the entire nation. So Prime Minister is the head of the government. Prime Minister is the head of the government. And the Prime Minister is appointed by the President of India. Prime Minister is appointed by the President of India. He has Council of Ministers. He has the Cabinet of Ministers who help him to govern the country. There are different ministers are there. Education Minister, Defense Minister. All their names you will write tomorrow. Okay. Prime Minister, of course, Prime Minister, children. Prime Minister only has to be bigger, no? But President is the head of the entire country. Okay? Yes.
Sister,
Yes. India is, I didn't get you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you solve one doubt of me?
Yes, please.
Who is the first woman minister in India?
Who is the first?
Woman minister in India.
You will tell me that. That you will tell me. Okay. Okay. Now we go to the state government. We go to the state government. Now the state government, now we said there are 28 states and every state has its own chief minister. Every state has its own chief minister. The chief minister is responsible for his entire state. Now Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, he is responsible for his entire state of Delhi. So every state has its own chief minister and that chief minister is responsible for its entire state. And he also has his own council of ministers. The chief minister also has the council of ministers. Now, whatever the laws have been made by the chief minister and council of ministers, those rules and regulations have to be followed by the people of that particular state. Now, they make the rules and regulations. What type of they make laws to see that everyone enjoys the. Please mute yourself wherever that noise is. It makes laws for the state and runs the government at state level and sees to the welfare of the people, the health care, education, and the growth of the farmers, agriculture, farming. It has been seen by the CM of that particular state. Every state is responsible for its own state. Every state has its own chief minister and council of ministers. There are different ministers are there. Every state has its education minister, health minister, agriculture minister, sports minister. So they all help the chief minister of that particular state. So they make the laws under the for the welfare of the people to improve the health care, to see that there is better facilities for the education, there is growth in the agriculture. All that has been seen by every CM of every state. Understood? Now I was the state legislative assembly. Children, each state has called something called legislative assembly. Okay, each state has got legislative assembly. There are some ministers are there. Okay, now let's see what is the meaning of this state legislative assembly. Now members are elected of the state legislative assembly. Understood? Where they have the meetings, where the meetings have been held. Understood? Now this in the state legislative assembly, the members have been elected for 5 years. You call them MLA, Minister of the Member of the Legislative Assembly. Understood? They have been elected for 5 years. And the governor, every state has a governor. Every state has a governor. So governor is the head of the state. Governor is the head of the state. He is appointed by the President of India. He is appointed by the President of India. Children, I want very good. Good Manpreet. Now I want everyone to write the names of the ministers. Okay. Now Jammu Kashmir is no more a state. So you will not write of Jammu, but you will write of the union government and you will read this lesson and come. Okay. Manpreet, what was you have raised your hand. Yes, Manpreet.
Sister,
Yes.
my hand is not down.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Kushi. Yes, Gagan. What was your doubt?
Yes, sister.
Ma'am, I have no doubt.
Okay. Itakshi. Ashwika.
Sister, I have raised my hand for answer.
What is the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha?
That we will come. I just explained to you, no? Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is known as the lower house. Understood?
Okay.
And Rajya Sabha. Yes.
Ma'am, when you was telling something just now, your voice was breaking. So can you repeat?
Okay. I was just telling about tomorrow you will write the names of the union government. Understood?
Okay, sister. Thank